if I will not fully satisfied with myself, then it would be not a better. It would be not good for me. So self belief is very important.
Yes.
I fully believe on myself, but I feel I'm not improving these days. That's why I asked. Yeah.
Yes, yes, you are right. Means, as you are saying that you are not so much satisfied. So sometime we should also try to have this type of feeling, because if we are having this type of feeling, so only then we can try to improve ourselves in better way. And if we are only just satisfied, and sometimes this type of satisfaction can take place of overconfidence. So
Yeah.
as you are so much good at English, but still you are considering yourself that you are not so much good,
Yeah.
so this
Yeah. Yeah.
is also good thing, just because you want to be better than best in English. So but
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
your English is amazing, and I'm watching your video, lots of YouTubers.
So I think when I talked with second times, then you told me, I think your first video, when I watch your video, then automatically I feel happy, and my husband also feel happy after watching your video. So I think you also when you feel, oh, I think I am feeling not good, then I watch that person video and I get happiness too much. You also watch sometimes, or I think you forget everything. Oh, why I need to watch more and more.
Yes, yes. So that day, as I told about your English, so in my second conversation or first conversation with you, I think you used proverbs in Hindi, like some, if you are speaking English, when you are speaking English, so some of your villagers are saying like "desi murgi bilaiti
Yes.
bol," and
Yeah,
yes,
yeah, right,
yes,
right,
this
right,
no,
right, right.
I think.
You full, yeah, 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 right. You fully, I think
Hello.
you have remembered everything. Yeah, you have remembered everything.
Okay.
Yeah, really, I think.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. So. My husband watched your full video, and I also watched, and he was appreciating you a lot, like
yeah,
this sir is quite fantastic,
yeah. So,
and he
ma'am,
always
yeah, yeah, ma'am,
watch you.
right. Yeah. So, ma'am, I am telling you, I think you also faced criticism in your past, or these days, someone criticized you, or I think you are living in city area. That's why you are not getting this type person who criticize you.
No, sir, I'm not living in city. I'm always telling I'm living in village. Means earlier I was living in city, but due to some problem I had to leave. I had to like leave city, and I have to get shifted in village. So for the last 2 years I'm living in proper village. Nowadays I can say like I'm not facing this problem. Means whenever I'm meeting any person in my surrounding or any stranger, so most of the people are just appreciating me for my work. That's why I'm
Right,
also
right.
feeling satisfied. Yes, but
Yeah,
few people are always there, only who are satisfied. So it's not a big deal. I'm
Y-
focusing on.
yeah. You got, I think, good person. That's why you, I think, you am admired by someone. But these days I am not talking with from my garden and anywhere, because I know lots of person started thinking about me only. So that's why I'm talking with others from my home, from my roof. Yeah,
Yes, yes, sir. I can observe this. Just because earlier, whenever you were talking to anyone, so you were always in the garden.
garden. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. Because of main reason, I don't want to lots of people watch me, and I want I, I wanted to talk with others from my garden, and yeah, that's why I talked with someone. But this time I feel good while talking with others from my home. So that's why, yeah, that's why I am talking with, yeah, these days I am talking from others by my home. So please tell me one thing. You are, I think you know very well, because you are a YouTuber. So competition is high in this field. And so what do you think? Lots of YouTuber I am seeing for a long time, before practice, before starting my speaking in journey, I have been watching lots of YouTuber who are just who were struggling for get success in this field. So and after that they are struggling. So why they are struggling, they are not getting success? What is the reason? Because lots of people told me women get success uh, easily in this field because they are women, and men don't get success in this field because they are men. So what do you think? Really, I think women get success in this field easily.
No, nothing like that. Because we, means nowadays I can say like most of the homemakers are there on this platform, YouTube. And as we are talking about only males, only female, means the women's are getting success in this field. So nothing like that. There are also lots of women who are just struggling. But yes, as you know, sometime also it's depend on like practice, means how much we are putting our effort on this channel. So if we put 100%, so definitely we will get. And sometimes people are just not getting good result. So sometime I'm also realizing, just because as you are asking, there this is also clicking in my mind. Sometime I observed many of the homemaker, they are very good at English, they are speaking fluent
Yeah,
English,
right.
but they are means they exactly deserve more, but they are not getting as much as they can.
No, I think audience is king this time. So if audience would like to make you king and make a big YouTuber, then they can. Yeah. But person, I think subscriber and view. You can say audience mind is every times thinking different things. Oh, today I will watch your video, and tomorrow I will watch another video, and they change their mindset every day. So that's why I think this is the reason. That's why lots of people not getting same view every day. Some person get, only some people get a same view in their all video. Otherwise mostly YouTuber get in one video lots of view, and another video they don't get lots of views because of yeah, audience and viewers, subscribers mind is thinking different things every day. Yeah, they have
So
not
yes,
decided.
right.
Some person has decided, oh, which type video I have to watch every day. Some person, only 10% people and 20% people, but 80% people have not decided which type, and depend on their mood. If their mood is allowed to watch this video, then they watch.
Nowadays I'm also very much excited whenever I'm watching, like, yes, on this I'm getting good views, so I'm feeling very much happy and excited. This is a common human nature. And sometimes I'm also so much excited to check my YT, like how much subscribe. And sometimes I'm finding like my subscribers are decreasing, some one two subscriber decreased and then increased decreased. So this type of if sometime I find like, yes, someone has unsubscribed my channel, so I'm feeling so sad. Oh my god, why people are unsubscribing me?
Yeah.
uh,
So and what do you think about, because I don't have idea about it. So how many viewer you get, you will get in your each video, then you started earning,
no
you will
sir, so
start
it
earning.
it's not depend on viewer, it depend on watch time.
Oh, watch time.
Watch watch time should be completed, like I think in means within a year you have to reach 4,000
Hours.
yes, 4,000 hours.
So you have so your video, your channel is monetized.
No, no, sir, it's not monetized because my watch time
Oh,
is not complete.
okay. So, but I think within 1 hour, within 1 year, I think I have to complete 4,000 hours. After that, I will started earning money from my
Yes.
YouTube channel.
So,
Yeah.
yes. So after getting 1000 subscriber, you need to complete a watch time 4000 uh, yes hour 4000 घंटे.
Yeah, but ma'am, I will tell you one thing. You do consistency. You do consistency work on your YouTube channel. Definitely, you will get success in your future, because lots of people give up their journey in middle. Oh, I am not getting success. I have been working for a long time. I spent 1 year on this YouTube channel, and after that, I'm not getting view, and I'm not getting success. I'm not improving, and maybe I think I should stop this journey, and I will do different work. But you don't think like this. You do your work consistency, definitely, because I saw many person who has been struggling for a long time, and they are thinking same. Yeah,
That's
so
great, sir.
you do your work consistency, and definitely you will get success, and your time will come very soon. Yeah.
Thanks a lot, sir. You
Yeah.
know, as I always said, like when I jumped on this platform, so there's nothing this type of thought or feeling inside me to earn something from YouTube. But nowadays, just like you, many people are saying me the same thing, like you just be consistent. So I said, okay, I'm here only for being consistent. So definitely, I will be consistent. So they are saying you will get success very soon, yeah, like this and all. So I'm also feeling very happy inside. Oh my God, if I start earning money from YouTube, so it will be very grateful. It will be great
Yeah.
for me and my family. In this way, I can help my family more because in this world, everyone need money.
Lots of people criticize me if you focus on your vocabulary, because you have no vocabulary, and I also realized many times, because while conversation, while talking with others, I use simple vocabulary. I don't I think I forgot while talking with others new vocabulary. But yeah, ma'am.
It's happening also. I'm
Yeah.
also using simple words.
Yeah. So okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. You gave me your important time. So thank you so much. When I get opportunity, then I will talk you next time. So thank you. Bye.
Bye bye. Take care. Nice to talk to you.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Same, ma'am.